Hey everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to pin a conversation on Signal. So, if you've ever opened a Signal and had to scroll just to find one important chat, it's a small thing, but it gets annoying fast. The good news is, there's a simple feature that fixes this instantly. So, you can pin conversations so they always stay at the top of your chat list. Let me show you exactly how to do it on both iPhone and Android. So start by opening your Signal app. Make sure you're on the main chat screen where all conversations are listed. Now choose the chat you want to keep at the top and swipe left on the conversation. When you do that, you'll see a pin option. Just tap on it. For the second method, you can also press and hold the chat. A menu will pop up and just tap on pin and the conversation will be pinned. As soon as you do this, the conversation jumps at the top of your list and stays there. Now, for Android, the process is just as simple. You can just press and hold the conversation you want to pin, then tap the pin icon. Once pinned, the chat will stay above all others. If you ever want to remove it, so here's how. On iPhone, you can swipe left again. You can also press and hold again, then tap on unpin. On Android, you can press and hold the chat and tap the pin icon again. So your chat will go back to its normal position in the list. So you can pin multiple conversations, not just one. So pin chats always stay at the top even when new messages come in. So this is especially useful for work or business chats, for family or important contacts, for conversations you check every day. Also, if your chat list feels cluttered, combining pinning plus archiving can make things much cleaner. And that's it, very simple but super helpful. Once you start using pin chats on Signal, you'll save time every single day. If you found this helpful, stick around for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.